A secured credit card requires a cash deposit that usually becomes your credit limit. So if you put down a few $100s, that same amount is typically your spending limit. That deposit is held by the bank as security while you build or rebuild credit. By the end of this, you'll know how the Citi secured card works, what it actually does for your credit profile, and whether it makes sense compared to other secured cards in 2026. First thing to understand is how secured cards build credit. Every time you make a payment, that activity is reported to the credit bureaus. On-time payments help your credit history, which is one of the most important parts of your credit score. With the Citi secured card, you start by placing a refundable deposit. That deposit is not a fee, it is collateral. You still use the card like a normal credit card for everyday purchases like gas or groceries, and then you pay the balance each month. The main goal of a card like this is not rewards or cashback. It is credit rebuilding. That means its value depends on whether it reports consistently to all three credit bureaus and whether you can eventually graduate to an unsecured card. A common expectation people have is that secured cards automatically upgrade after a certain time. That is not guaranteed. Graduation depends on your payment history, account behavior, and overall credit profile improvement. If you use the card responsibly, keep balances low, and never miss payments, you are building the kind of history lenders want to see. That is what eventually leads to credit limit increases or eligibility for unsecured cards. One important detail is that your deposit is usually refundable when you close the account or graduate to an unsecured product, as long as your balance is paid off. Compared to other secured cards, the real value is not the starting limit or features, but how well the card supports credit reporting and long-term rebuilding habits. If those fundamentals are solid, the specific brand matters less than how you use the account. To summarize, the Citi secured card works by using a refundable deposit. It builds credit through regular reporting to bureaus, and its real value depends on responsible usage rather than rewards or perks. A practical next step is to compare your current credit situation with the deposit you are comfortable locking in. Then decide if a secured card is the right rebuilding tool for your goals. Subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you understand credit cards without the confusing jargon.